Shiba Inu was the most discussed cryptocurrency on Twitter last month. Data for the month of October by ICO Analytics shows that Ether, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin occupied the second, third, and fourth positions, respectively, in the Twitter Popularity Index. Dogecoin rival Shiba Inu was the most discussed cryptocurrency on Twitter during the month of October, as per the data compiled by ICO Analytics. The analysis firm revealed the 20 most discussed cryptocurrencies on Twitter, and Shiba Inu has emerged as a clear winner, receiving a 22% share of all crypto assets discussions on the platform, dwarfing Ethereum by 8.1% and Bitcoin by 7.2%. Another October data by the company shows that Ether, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin occupied the second, third, and fourth positions, respectively, in the Twitter Popularity Index. Meanwhile, cryptocurrency, SafeMoon, Solana, Cardano, and Binance Coin were among the 10 most discussed crypto coins on Twitter, as per the graph shared by ICO Analytics. However, none of the cryptocurrencies came even close to the popularity of Shiba Inu. The rise of SHIB is speculated to be fueled after tech billionaire Elon Musk tweeted a photo of the coin going to the moon on October 18. His tweet pushed the coin to nearly 50%, according to the CoinMarketCap. Interestingly, almost 70.52% of SHIB's circulation is controlled by 8 whale accounts, of which one whale holds 41%. This means all of these whales have made at least 800% gains on their investments last month. Shiba holders have also grown to 1,021,000 with a daily trading volume of $9.60 billion. Are you a SHIB holder? Tell us in the comments. And do follow us on Twitter and Instagram for daily crypto market updates. Thank you.